Spread. Spread is the difference between the red line and the blue line, which is the bid and ask. Let me show you. On GBP here, we see a spread between the red line and the blue line, which in between there's a spread. That's why when you place a trade, you start to be on the losing side before you come to profit, because the broker already covered with the spread on profit. And spread can be in two ways or form. The first one, which is the variable spread, sometimes is called floating spread. The second one, which is the fixed spread. On the first spread, which is the variable one, it can change mostly from one point to second point. For example, the GBP AUD spread is moving from 838 spread to 32 or 30. So this one is variable. And the fixed one doesn't change. Mostly you can see GBP USD is 16 spread. So mostly it doesn't change. Fixed spread is offered by market makers mostly. The brokers, which are market makers, they offer the fixed spread mostly. Meanwhile, the variable spread is offered by the non-dealing desk brokers, such as the STP and ECN. Another thing, what you have to know about charts is that candlesticks and that you see on your MetaTrader 4 or 5, the MT5. Each candlesticks, as you can see right now, I'm on 1 hour. Each candlesticks represent 1 hour. It means that if there are two, that's 2 hours, because a candlesticks close after whatever time frame that you are using at this time, or whatever time that you are using. So if you can see right now, I'm in 4 hours. So because I'm on in 4 hours, the two candlesticks that you see there is 8 hours. It's simple as that. And I believe you understand.